This is a supposedly 100 watt RGB LED floodlight that I got off of eBay for around $40. The first thing is to test the power of it. I don't suppose it's gonna be actually 100 watts, but it should be at least 50, I hope. I'll cover it because it's gonna be bright. And plugged in. It's on, and it's on white. It's only drawing 26 watts. How about red? 26, green 31, blue 29 watts. Random colors. No, like it seems to only be 30 watts. Yep. No, it's only 30 watts. Is it on max power? Yeah, it seems to be on max power. If I drop the power down, this is minimum 16 watts. How much does it use on minimum red? 6 watts. So it's nowhere near 100 watts. Okay, let's take a look inside of it. I'll start with the LED part. The chip inside of it is a 100 watt one. It contains 33 red, 33 green, and 33 blue chips. Okay, you could say it's 99 watts, but if they wanted, they could push it up to 100 watts. Okay. So, if you're wondering, I have tested this outside, and it is quite waterproof. I mean, I didn't find any water inside of it. And the giant reflector is only held on by 2 tiny screws at opposing corners. Like, it's my hand. It's twice as big as my hand, but it's only held in by 2 screws. That's typical Chinese. It's not Chinese, I mean direct import. And the protective plastic is still on the reflector. I wonder, will this melt and catch on fire? I hope not. It could. And this is only the chip. Weirdly, it has mountings for like 2 more chips. Or maybe this is meant for the 250 watts or 100 watts to give higher power ones. But the fins are really tiny. They're just 1 centimeter. And in this spot where the LED is, it gets up to like 70 degrees because even though this is a large area, the metal is so thin, like only 2 millimeters, that the heat can dissipate out. Talking about the subject of turning it upside down, water seems to want to collect in these areas, and if they're still like these are not broken, this will fill up with water. At least this is aluminum. This housing itself is aluminum, but all the fixings and this mounting arm is steel or something, and they rust a lot. Okay, what's in the driver? I wonder, is it a separate controller and the driver, or is it just a dedicated driver? Well, I know that what it's inside because I had it open to connect the wire. and it's a dedicated driver. The remote, the infrared receiver just goes out to another through a grommet, and for some reason it's hot glued inside. I didn't do this. This is like how it came in. Unfortunately, the driver is potted inside, so I don't want to take this apart. If you want me to take this apart, leave a comment, and then I will, because I won't use this probably. And if I want, I can put it back together. Note that there's no earth inside it, because as it came, it also didn't have any earth, because there are no points to mount an earth connection. So be careful. The only way you could do it is if you brought a long earth wire up to here and connected it to the LED, this, or these pillars for the reflector. But there's no earthing capability inside of this driver area. And can I rip the driver to see if it has a label? Nope. No, I can't. It's nope. Nope. No, I can't. Probably even if I ripped it off, it's done with good silicone. Even if I could, I'll probably won't find any label that's out in this, or maybe it will say 100 watts, and that, well, even if I could take this off, probably the label will get destroyed. So this is what's inside of an RGB LED floodlight that claims to be 100 watts.